You should have called me.
Hey, how was I supposed to know you were going to wear that outfit?
We had a deal.
And you broke it.
But I knew that you'd know that I'd break it, and so knowing that, you'd wear something else.
Oh, no. I knew that you know that I'd know that you'd break it. And so knowing that, you would change your mind and wear something else.
But it looks better on me.
Oh, yeah? In whose universe?
Look at the way it exaggerates your rear end.
Well, at least I have something in the front to hold it up with.
Jealous!
Selfish!
Oh, I can't believe you!
What are you doing? Hey! Let go of me! Oh! She's crazy. Ow!
I told you!
Go!
Stop. Oh, why do I keep doing this?
Whoa, wait, this is the nicest you've been since I've seen you tonight.
No, before. I just had an epiphany.
In public?
No. I think I'm finally starting to understand that confusing Bible verse. I just keep doing the things I don't want to do.
Oh, well then don't do them.
Oh, impossible. I'm too busy not doing the things I do want to do.
Okay, you should do the things you want to do.
Well, I can't because I'm too busy doing the things I don't want to
All
do.
right, then don't do what you do then.
What?
Look, if you're doing the things you don't want to do and not doing what you do want to do, it's simple. Don't do what you do, but then do what you don't do. Duh.
So don't. Do what I do.
Don't, yeah.
And don't do.
Don't.
Ah.
Okay, all right. I'll slow down. I know it's hard to understand, so.
Look. This is getting us nowhere. One of us needs to go home and change her outfit.
Oh. Okay, I'll wait right here till you get back.
But you live closer.
Hey, I'm not the one with the doo-doo problem.
Okay. Look.
To discover how you can book an original Drawing Water production for your group or organization, we invite you to visit us at drawingwater.org or contact us at 425-836.